Kia Sportage QL, steering wheel, removal, disassembly. 1. Disconnect the battery negative cable from the battery and then wait for at least 30 seconds. 2. Turn the steering wheel so that the front wheels are facing straight ahead. 3. Remove the airbag module. 4. Remove the lock bolt, A, and remove the steering wheel. Do not hammer on the steering wheel to remove it, it may damage the steering column. 5. Install in the reverse order of removal. Steering wheel disassembly. 1. Disconnect the battery negative cable. 2. Remove the steering wheel assembly. 3. Loosen the screw and then remove the paddle shift switch, A. 4. Disconnect the paddle shift switch connector, A. 5. Remove the steering back cover, A. 6. Disconnect the connector from the steering wheel remote control. 7. Loosen the screw and then remove the steering wheel remote control, A. 8. Loosen the screw and then remove the steering wheel remote control, A. 9. Install in the reverse order of removal. I hope this information is helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions.